So in my Lucent Roblox RTS game, there's been major architectural decisions when it came to the options that you can use. So in traditional RTS games, you're using a 3x3 or 3x4 grid of building options. I've even seen 3x5, like beyond all reason. Because I'm pushing towards simplicity, I gave myself a design constraint, a 2x2 grid. So you only get 4 options per whatever you're selecting, a structure, a unit. And the options I've had were the leech, where you can get resources. I've switched the biters to eggs, so instead of manually spawning every single biter, you just purchase the eggs and they auto spawn to a capacity, which can be upgraded. There is a polyp, which allows you to build structures, and then there's uproots, where you can move your main structure. Now, where the major architectural decision was made was on the polyp. You see, if I'm allowing units in the game to be evolved over each other, that has an exponential amount of units that would be in the game. And my goal is each unit will be a tool. Now, to further push this philosophy on each unit being its own type of tool, I didn't think there was a need for the polyps anymore. Polyps are used to make structures, but what if we made the units evolve into structures, some of them at least, so that gives more unit specialization. Without the polyp, there won't be the capability to build early game tech structures, which in return forced me to make another design decision. How will players tech up their units? How can you evolve your units? Well, what if I just removed the tech structure altogether? The only way to tech up is by actually having that unit. You spawn it, you evolve it, and through that evolution, you're going to branch off into more evolutions. So the teching up solves itself. So I removed the structure was called the brain. One of the tools I'd like to cover, you saw me drawing in the earlier part of the video, was, I don't know if it will be called this, but the spitter. Essentially, this unit will be loaded with any type of ammunition or unit, and it can shoot it across the map.